All right, guys, Jason at KiloWattRC. If you guys are here to watch this, if you did not see the prior to this, which is the unboxing of the new Components Max8v2 HiAMP 8S esc, we have it in here running on 8S. Right now we have a Hobbywing 56118 1600 kV, and we got some KWRC 4S overkill packs in here. They are non-treated, they're just straight cold packs. So now, if you guys remember, this car had a pretty bad accident last time. Pretty bad accident, broke a couple things, so it's been rebuilt. Now it's finally back out. Let's start. Yeah, let's see how we can do. See how this car does. 8S warm up. That's a pretty crazy pull to the left. Hopefully that doesn't affect the run. All right, let's get this thing a pass. See how she runs. See how she did? Didn't sound bad at all. Wheels look pretty good. See how she did. Speed is still registering. Stop, read. 112. So the 8S esc, guys, not bad at all. 112. Let's do one more pass and then do a data log, all right? We'll hit start. Stop, read. 1 hour. Start. Wasn't bad for a warm-up pass. 112. I like that. Let's go. She went dead straight too. All right, guys, let's get this passing. Sounds pretty good. So the 8S esc, guys, all right, we are running 8S, and I'll prove it to you in a second, all right? So 8S esc, guys. Let's check out that speed. We held on that a little longer. Speed is still registering. Stop, read. 112 again. So you might be topped out as far as gearing. It's not bad at all. It's good stuff. Let's go to the XC app, see what we got going on as far as amps. All right, so we are downloading. All right, so here's the setup. Max8v2 ESC. Got the KiloWattRC 24S 10.4 amp hour packs, non-treated. KiloWattRC Mob 1.5 gearing, HiWing 56118 600 kV motor. So I got these gears on my website right now if you need them, with the PNW-RC Madness 8mm spur shaft. Also these heat sinking fans I have on my website too, KiloWattRC.com. Got the Gone Bananas racing skins on here. Got the WfoY kit with titanium axles. Yeah, these batteries are not treated, guys. Oh wow. So that first pass was around 752 amps at 27 volts. Probably add some more gearing on this thing. That's not bad at all. EC got the 120 degrees Celsius. That is kind of hot. Second pass, 667 amps. Still same battery, still same charge. We'll do one more pass. Start. Stop. Read. Come on arm. Start. Let's see if this helps at all. But I am geared for around like 112, so I'm not sure. I gotta see. I gotta get this thing dialed in really good. This is the first pass since it crashed pretty crazy on 12S. It really don't need 12S at all. All right, let's try again. All right, let's see what that was. We might be topped out on gearing. I could put some other batteries in to see, but she's running really good. You see how good she's running. So that's 3 passes on the same charge. Speed is registering. Stop. Read. 113. All right, so let's just put in the other battery.